Hi everybody, may I show you the way of healing hiccup or to get rid of hiccup by breathing. The way to do it like the way of yoga. So to inhale, you have to do slowly and deeply, as deep as possible. And at the same time to exhale, you have to do slowly too and deeply, as deep as possible. For example, when you inhale, you can do like this. And to exhale, you can do like this. And when you do inhaling and exhaling, you have to do continuously 4 to 5 times. Yeah, continuously. And after 5 times, you will be healed easily. Okay, thank you very much.